In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy from one Figma project to another. This is really useful when you want to reuse designs across different teams or keep your work better organized without having to rebuild anything from scratch. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Figma workspace. First, go ahead and log into your Figma account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see all of your existing files and projects. Take a moment to locate the project file that you want to copy into another project. This is the original file that you're going to duplicate and then move. When you found that file, hover over it and right-click. From the menu that appears, choose the option called Duplicate. Figma will create a copy of that file for you. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection, it might take a few seconds. So just wait until you see the new duplicated file appear in your dashboard. It will usually have the same name as the original, with the word copy added, so you can easily tell which is which. Now that the duplicate is visible, this is the version you're going to move into another project. Right-click on the duplicated file. In the menu that pops up, look for the option called Move File and click on it. This will open a pop-up window that shows all of the projects and folders you have access to. In this pop-up, browse through your list of projects and select the destination project where you want this file to live. You can think of this as choosing a new home for your copied design. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct project, especially if you have a lot of similarly named ones. Once you've highlighted the project you want, click the Move button in the pop-up. Figma will then move your duplicated file into that selected project. Again, give it a moment to update. When it's done, you can open that destination project and you'll see your copied file sitting there, ready to be edited, shared, or handed off to your team. And that's it. You've successfully copied a file from one Figma project to another by duplicating it and moving the duplicate.